This patented system is unique to SPEL and ensures SPEL separators are maintained at peak performance 24/7, at the same time reducing the high costs of regular servicing and emptying by up to 90%. The system is used extensively for rail maintenance and fueling depots, fire training grounds, fuel handling areas, and heavy industry applications. The SPEL separator, either a bypass storm scepter or a full retention puriceptor, separates out the hydrocarbons which are retained in the main separation chamber. When the SPEL constant monitoring system detects that fuel and oil pollutants have reached a predetermined level, the skimmers are brought into operation, transferring these pollutants from the separator to a SPEL tankster containment tank. When the transference of light liquid pollutants has been completed, the system automatically stops the skimming process and resets. During the skimming cycle, a small amount of water is transferred from the SPEL separator into the SPEL tankster containment tank. In order to maximize the capacity of the SPEL tankster containment tank for pollutants, accumulated water is automatically transferred back to the SPEL separator. The process repeats automatically every time pollutants reach the predetermined volume. When the SPEL tankster containment tank is 90% full, the SPEL constant monitoring system signals "Empty now" with an audible and visual alarm. The SPEL separator can now be serviced. First, remove the coalescer unit and place adjacent to a gully that feeds into the separator to ensure the hydrocarbons and silt washed out return back into the separator prior to emptying. Clean the coalescer with normal pressure water. Now the first chamber can be sucked out completely or sufficiently to remove the silt on the bottom and fuel and oil from the surface. This is then repeated in the second chamber to mainly remove the fuel and oil from the surface. You can now return the coalescer unit into the serviced separator. This is a proven and effective solution for sites where pollution is high or a pollution incident and heavy spillage is a risk.